Hello guys, in the video I'm going to show you how you can create the saber light transition in CapCut PC. So select your images you like to edit and you can set for the image duration in 1.0 second for one clip. Sorry, let's add a track, right? And go to transition. On trending you can find the cyber light. At the tag, adjust for duration in 0.5 seconds. Just click apply to all the clip. But this transition effect is pro effect. You can join pro first to be able to use this effect. Alright, here we go. This is the final result. Right. You can add effect, audio, text, sticker, and anything you like. And yeah, so basically what I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.